Hey guys, today I'm going to be discussing how to check login devices in Telegram. So guys, today I am going to look to the Telegram login activity. So follow along. So first thing that you will do is simply open up your Telegram application into your device. And from here, guys, just simply tap on the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. Sidebar will show up and tap on a settings. Over here and now. Guys, from here, you should be able to see devices, so just simply tap on devices down below. And now from here, guys, you should be able to see your login activity. So at the top, you should be able to see your device, and down below, you should be able to see active sessions. So from here, you will have the date and the location and the device that has been used to log in your account. And as you can see, I have multiple over here. And if I want to remove a certain device, just tap on it. And from here, I will have an option down below. Terminate a session, so just simply tap on it to terminate, and a pop-up will show up. That telling us if we are sure, so just tap on terminate. Again, and after that it will now be removed. And down below, you should be able to see automatically terminate old session, which you can toggle 6 months to 1 week or even 1 year. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.